Hello everyone and welcome to the Safety and Compliance Center. This is Bilal Khan and here I will simplify NEBOSH IGC course for you. I am very confident that by the end of this session you will have much better understanding of the topic if you will interact with the exercises given between the sessions. In this video we are going to discuss in detail about the audits, including how to prepare for an audit, what happens during the audit, and the steps to take once the audit is complete. Well, the auditing is an systematic, objective, and critical evaluation of an organization's health and safety management system. It helps check whether the safety practices are effective and where the improvements are needed. What do you think is the difference between an audit and an inspection? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's discuss how each plays a role in the workplace safety. An inspection is a quick check of the workplace and records, usually costing less and needing only the basic skills. It focuses mainly on the physical conditions and is often a part of a larger audit. In contrast, an audit is more thorough and looks at documents, the procedures, interviews with the workers, and verifies the standards. It reviews the whole management system behind the workplace condition. Can take longer and usually requires higher expertise. Well, before an audit begins, it is important to define key details such as the time scale, the scope of audit, the area to be audited. You also need to decide who would be involved and identify the documentation required for the audit process. During the audit, the auditors gather the information using three main methods: reviewing the paperwork like the documentation and records, conducting the interviews with managers and the workers, and making the observations of the workplace, equipment, activities, and the behaviors of the workers. During an audit, various records and documents are reviewed to assess the health and safety management, which include the health and safety policy, the risk assessment, the safe system of work, the training records. The auditor also check minutes from the safety committee meetings, maintenance records, and monitoring the activities like the inspections and surveys. Accidents reports, emergency plans, insurance inspection reports, regulator visits reports, and the records of worker complaints are also examined by the auditor. Well, at the end of the audit, it is common to hold a closeout meeting to discuss findings. This is followed by a written audit report detailing the results and recommendations. It's the responsibility of management at all levels to communicate and implement these improvements throughout the organization. Audits are often required for certifications like ISO 45001 or 14001, etc. Let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of both external and internal audits. What do you think are the benefits and challenges of each? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to interact with your thoughts and ideas. The external audits offer the advantages of being independent, free from internal influence, and bring a fresh perspective. The auditors often have broader experience and across the different workplaces, and their recommendations usually more carry more weight. However, the external audits can be expensive and it is time consuming. Sometimes the auditors may not fully understand the business, leading to impractical suggestions. They might also unintentionally intimidate workers, which can result in incomplete information. The internal audit offer multiple advantages to the organization. They are generally less expensive than external audits and benefits from the auditors who already understood the business, allowing them to set realistic expectations and identify practical improvement. This familiarity often leads to better ownership of the issues discovered during the audit and helps build internal competence over the time. However, there are also some disadvantages. Internal audit may overlook certain issues due to over familiarity and might lack up-to-date knowledge of the industry regulations or the legal requirement. Additionally, they may not have formal auditing skills requiring further training, and because they are not independent, their objectivity can be compromised by the internal influence. Balancing these pros and cons is essential to ensure an effective internal audit function. Thank you very much for watching this video from the Safety and Compliance Center. If you have any question regarding this session, please drop your questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer that. This is your channel. Like it, subscribe it for more safety content. Stay safe, stay blessed, and goodbye.